Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT errors 502, 503, 404 bad gateway service, temporarily unavailable or page not found. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to ChatGPT. Alright, so type in ChatGPT, here it is here. Now once it loads, now you want to click on the free or the settings or view site information tab next to it, and now we need to click into site settings. And now once we're here, we're in the privacy security tab. We've got usage 13 cookies. We want to go ahead and click on delete data and then click delete again. Alright, the next step is to head back to ChatGPT, click on view site information, and from here we want to click back into site settings here. And then under permissions, go ahead and click on reset permissions and then click reset. All right, for the third method is to close out. Now click on search, type in CMD. We need to get into the command prompt, right click it, run as admin, or you can click on run as administrator there. Click yes. Now from here, once we're here, we want to click into there and type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and then hit enter. And then from here we want to type in NETSH space win sock space reset, then hit enter. And then from here we want to restart our PC and your problem should be fixed.